The question, does social media affect your website SEO? The answer is yes. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Frank Blanchard at AIFD, and yes, the answer is most certainly yes. Social media definitely does have an effect on the overall SEO of your website. Now, it used to be we would consider SEO for our website as being the means of making our websites searchable by the search engines by way of all of our different digital marketing work and creating digital text content on our websites that is rich in keywords and keyword phrases that people are actually searching for. So that is definitely part of SEO. The other part of SEO that we don't quite oftentimes work on as much is our overall web presence, including our website, but all of our social media links. And when you have a profile on social media, and that's definitely Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter mainly, and also your Google local listing directly on Google, the more you're active on your social media profiles as your business, that strengthens your overall ranking for your website on the search engines, because backlinks are a very important key factor to good SEO. And the search engines, when they see you are in multiple different areas on the web, that's a very good thing. And they're really counting good quality external backlinks and how many you have as a way of ranking your website and where it should be shared to people searching for your services and products. So, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, the search engines consider all of those social media platforms to be good quality external websites. So the more you have good quality links on all your social media platforms, the higher your website is going to rank with the search engines. So the more you can post and share direct links from your website on your social media streams, that's a really good thing. The more you can engage with your fans and followers and those people who have liked your Facebook page, follow you on Instagram, etc., the more you can get those people engaged and you're talking with them, and the more you can get them to also share your information from your social media streams, it's just going to broaden your overall net on the web, and the search engines are going to like it. So if you are in the process of trying to increase your web traffic and also get that web traffic to convert into buying customers, the more active you are on social media as your business, that's a good thing. So, along those same lines, one key benefit and factor in having that actually work is to make sure that, especially on Facebook and Instagram, you have specific business page profiles. It doesn't work to use your personal timeline as your business. It doesn't work and it doesn't connect the same way to your website. So be sure, if this is something that you're trying to really work on, make sure that you're on an actual business listing or a business account for all of the social platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. If you're on TikTok, same thing. Make sure they're all business specific accounts so that you can link them correctly to your website. And all of that combined is going to help your overall SEO for your website. I hope you found that information helpful today, and it's just a really quick tip that we all need to continue to work on a regular basis. If you follow my channel, you'll definitely get more information like this regarding your marketing and your overall business marketing. And this goes for both businesses as well as organizations. It works the same way. If I can help you, that's what I'm here for. So if you subscribe to the channel and give me a like, that helps me out a lot. And if you'd like notifications when I do upload more information like this, by all means, hit that bell icon, and that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video for you. Hope you all do well this week. See you very soon, and get out there and work on that social media. Bye for now.